Navigating slang. Who's listening? Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of slang and colloquialisms. More importantly, we're going to discuss how to identify the context and audience when using these terms. Just like you wouldn't wear a tuxedo to the beach, some slang may not fit all situations. Let's dive in and ensure you use slang appropriately. The English language is vast and varies across regions and communities. Slang is no exception. It's essential to be mindful of where and when you're using slang terms. 1. Location. A slang term popular in the US might sound foreign in the UK. 2. Setting. Are you at a party or a business meeting? Each setting has its form of acceptable language. 3. Event. A rock concert will have different jargon compared to a formal dinner. Tip. Always take a moment to assess your surroundings and adjust your language accordingly. Your audience shapes the appropriateness of the slang you use. 1. Age group. Terms that resonate with teenagers might not make sense to senior citizens. 2. Cultural background. What's cool in one culture might be disrespectful in another. 3. Relationship. Casual slang might work with friends, but not always with someone you've just met. Golden rule: when in doubt, stay neutral until you get a better sense of your audience. Being flexible and adaptable is key. If you notice your audience isn't familiar or comfortable with certain terms, 1. Ask politely if they're okay with certain slang or if they'd prefer a more formal language. 2. Switch it up. If they look confused, revert to more standard English terms. 3. Educate when appropriate. Share the meaning or origin of a slang term, turning the moment into a learning experience. Remember, it's okay to ask questions. Language is a bridge, and you want to ensure it connects, not divides. Slang is colorful, vibrant, and makes language unique. However, just like any tool, it's crucial to use it wisely. Always be mindful of your context and audience to ensure your message is clear and respectful. Hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of slang. Until next time, keep learning and adapting.